Hello students, today I discuss about straight line. So the general form of equation of a straight line is general form of equation of a straight line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are coefficients and this is a equation of first degree. For first degree equation in two variables. So here how we can prove that the equation of the straight line would be ax plus by plus c. So let take Cartesian plan. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is the origin O. So if we take a straight line in this way, AB, and we will take any two fixed points P and Q. P is x1, y1, Q is x2, y2. So they are fixed points, and we take R first. We show that such kind of equation shows a straight line. First we show that this equation shows a straight line. So we don't know AB is a straight line now. AB is a, we will take AB is a curve, and PQ is any two fixed any two points on the curve. So R is a point. We are taking R, a random point on the joining of the straight line, which so AB is a curve. On the curve PQ I need two fixed points, and R in such a way that it divides PQ M is to N ratio. Now if we have now the coordinate of R is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Now if we put we take PQ is a line segment which lies so PQ is a line segment, so it divides which is divided by the point R is to m is to n ratio. Now if we put this coordinate in the left hand side of this equation and try to find out that this is equal to 0 or not, then we can say that R like R, any point on the PQ lies on the line segment. So if we put R point on the left hand side of this general equation, then this will be a mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n plus b mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n plus c which will be, if we take m plus n as LCM of these three fractions, then we can rearrange the numerators, then we will get m ax2 plus by2 plus c plus n ax1 plus by1 plus c. So we know that this point P and Q are fixed and satisfies the equation ax2 plus by1 ax1 plus ax plus by plus c. So this point satisfy the equation also. So these two will be equal to 0. So we have m0 plus n0 by m plus n is equal to 0. So we can look that R point also belongs to the line segment AB. So any point on the line segment PQ lies on the line segment. So you can say that this equation ax plus by plus c represents a straight line or vice versa, we can prove that. Let's take a straight line. On a straight line, P, Q, R are 3 points. Where P and R, P and Q, P and R are fixed points. Which coordinate x1, y1 and x2, y2. If now I have taken PQ, I have based PQ, Q point. So Q points and P points coordinate x1, y1, Q points coordinate x2, y2, and R points coordinate is x3, y3. If the area, since it is a straight line, it represents a straight line, and the points lie on a straight line, so the area enclosed by these 3 points must be equal to 0. So the area enclosed by these 3 points equal to 0. So the area can be found out in this way. x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 we are taking P and R are fixed points. 1 minute. P and Q's are fixed points. P and R are fixed points. It's in the 2 points coordinates are x1 y1 and x2 y2, and R points coordinate is which is random, which lie on the line segment PQ is xy we are taking. Then this will be written in this way. x1 y2 minus y plus x2 y minus y1 plus x y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. So here we'll keep this form and take this is equal to a. So this will be ax plus, we will now take y common from these two. If we take y common, then we will have y x2 minus x1. We'll take this is b, and the third one would be x1 y2 minus x2 y1 is equal to 0. So we'll take this is equal to c. So we'll have the equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to y1 minus y2, b is equal to x2 minus x1, and c is equal to x1 y2 minus x2 y1. So in this way we can show that what is the equation of a straight line. So this is the general form of a straight line. So such kind of equation of first degree and into two variables represent always a straight line. Now we can now have a concept of slope. What is a slope? Let's take the Cartesian plan again. If we take a straight line in this way, here AB is the straight line. So the angle it forms with the with the x-axis is theta. Then slope is represented by m is tan theta. So this is a slope, and if we have any point x1 on the straight line, then tan theta will be y by x. Now we can find out that the concept of slope. If we represent the slope through this equation, so how we can represent this? This is slope intercept from